What's up? I am Lucy Vincent. I'm so excited that you're here. If you are here, you are either already a social media manager or you're thinking about becoming one. And I couldn't be more excited to show you what I have in store in this live masterclass. I am going to show you how to be wildly sold out and how to build a six-figure social media management business with only 2 or 3 clients a month. When I first got started, I thought I needed 10, 15, 20 clients. And very quickly, I realized I was burning out. I was selling clients for $500 a month that thought that they owned all of my time, that would make last minute requests. I remember one morning, it was Easter Sunday, 3 a.m. And I had a client that was paying me less than $1,000 a month, asked for a last minute change. And I thought that I had to please everyone. I was so worried about losing any clients. I am showing you how to break out of that, how to build a sold out social media management business with only 2 to 3 clients a month so that you can be wildly profitable, so you can delegate to a team, so you can take as much vacation as you want and know that no matter what, you are making money hand over fist every single month so that you don't have to stress about where your next client is coming from, how you're going to pay your bills anymore. The struggle is over. I have figured out how to totally revamp my business from those early days on so that I can build a wildly profitable business with a team I can delegate to. And I'm going to show you how you do that, how you become known as the expensive but oh so worth it social media manager in your niche. So you can build extreme authority so that you have a wait list of clients begging to work with you. Can you just imagine how exciting it's going to feel? I've helped thousands of women accomplish this already. I've done it for myself. I've walked the walk. I've been in your shoes, no matter where you are right now. If you're stressed over clients with scope creep or, not respecting your time or late payments, I'm going to show you how to totally rework all of it and build a wildly successful social media management business. So I hope that you join me in this live masterclass. If you've taken any of my trainings before, I spill the beans. I bring the heat. I will show you everything A to Z that you need, and you will walk out of this class thinking, holy crap, I am so excited. I have actions to implement right away. I've taken away big wins already just in our class. And then you can go and implement it and build a wildly successful sold out social media management business in a way easier way where you don't have to manage tons and tons of clients to hit your goals. So I am so excited. I can't wait to see you there, and we will talk soon. Bye.